Number 4. DEWALT DCV580H. If you're in the market for a lightweight ash vacuum, the DEWALT DCV580H 20V max cordless wet-dry vacuum is a top contender. Weighing in at just 8 pounds, this vacuum is easy to carry around, making it perfect for cleaning up messes on the go. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its 2-gallon capacity, which is ideal for smaller dry and liquid messes. Additionally, its 20-volt battery is compatible with all other tools in DEWALT's 20-volt max tool line, providing added versatility for those who already own DEWALT tools. The filter in the DEWALT DCV580H is HEPA-rated, ensuring that even the smallest particles are filtered out of the air. This makes it a great option for those who are concerned about air quality while vacuuming. One thing to keep in mind is that the vacuum's 2-gallon capacity may require frequent emptying, especially when tackling larger messes. However, this can be seen as a small trade-off for the convenience and portability that this vacuum offers. In conclusion, the DEWALT DCV580H 20V Max Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum is the best lightweight ash vacuum thanks to its compact design, powerful suction, and compatibility with other DEWALT tools. If you're in need of a versatile and portable vacuum for small messes, this is the one to check out. Still searching for the perfect ash vacuum? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.